am Jennifer Porras Ordejan, BSTM 3B. Today, I'll present to you the traditional bed making. First step, put the bed pad or the mattress pad. Second step, spread the first sheet right side up, fold the bed and mattress to corners on the top part of the bed. Use only the back of your palms, removing and polishing the wrinkles on your sheets. Third step, spread the second sheet the wrong side up from the edge of mattress. The second sheet lays down to the top of the first sheet. Make sure that the second sheet reaches the edge of your bed where your headboard is. Fourth step, spread the blanket right side up and put quilt 6 lower than the second sheet. Fifth step, spread the third sheet right side up and put quilt 6 lower than the first sheet. Make sure that the third sheet and the blanket is equally aligned to each other. Sixth step, fold the second sheet twice together with the blanket and the third sheet. So miter the two sides of the bottom part of the bed and make sure it is 90 degrees. Check the sheets and make sure it is clean and no wrinkles. Seventh step, get the pillowcase and the pillows, put it together and place it on the upper part of the bed. Eighth step, get the comforter and spread it over the bed. Ninth step, put the bed runner. That would be all. So this is the 9 easy steps to make a perfect traditional bed setup. Thank you.